Hi Batswana, my name is Tshiamo Pampiri and I'm back on the move. I'm going to do acting because I believe in myself and this is my opportunity to show up my talent to you guys. So, to vote for me, go to YouTube, then view my videos, then vote for me. That's all. Yes, doctor. Is she okay? Oh. What about if I can get in and check her? Can I? Okay, let me go. Oh my God. Mom, are you okay? Oh no, talk to me. What can I do for you? Everything. I need you. So just say it out. What can I do for you? Tell me. Oh, Mom, please. Oh, Mom, please. Doctor, please. Mom, please. Tell me, what are you doing? What can I do? Oh, Mom, please. Doctor, help. Mom, wake up. Please. Wake up, Mom, please. Doctor, help me. Oh, my God. Mom, please. Just wake up. Mom, remember your little sister, your little child that is at home. Please, I need you. And I need for you to be with me. So that, please, Mom, wake up. Please. No, don't leave me alone. I need you. My mom is gone. Oh my God, what am I to do? My mom is gone. What can I do now? Oh my God. What do I need to tell my sister? Oh my sister. She's so small, so... She's the whole person that I left with in this earth. So there's nothing that I'm gonna do now. Mom, why? Why me? Why today? Why can you just hold on until we finish our schooling? Oh my goodness. Oh my mom. Mom, please, what am I going to do? You're responsible towards us. It's all on me. I shall take care of my sister at home. But now, you didn't even say even a word to me. Okay, I'll see what to do. I can't wait here. I'm going.